In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. Do you have a public IG account, you want to make it private? If you're new here, subscribe for tech tips tricks. So all you have to do is open your Instagram application. When you open your Instagram application, tap down there and then tap on those three horizontal lines. Yes, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, then go to privacy. As you can see, that's how then adds an account. Then tap on privacy, then you will see something like comments, posts, mentions, then private account. Then all you have to do is toggle that on, and then when you toggle that on, you will see switch to private. They will bring you this, then read through this, and then after tap on switch to private. When you tap on switch to private, then after toggle that on, you will see want to review your followers. Review followers. I'm not interested in reviewing followers. If you want to review them, you can review them. Then after you continue. So then after, I think I tapped on cancel. Yeah, that's how you make your public Instagram account private. So thanks for watching. See you next time.